Hi everyone, Mick here from E-Stim Systems, back with another video for you. And today we're going to take a look at the ElectroPebble. Here are the three packs then. They are the ElectroPebble, the XPE and the XPF. But let's start by taking a closer look at the ElectroPebble first. The ElectroPebble is a dual channel unit with your two output sockets on the top here, and with a slide power switch in the centre. On the front we have output controls for your levels, so channel A and channel B, an adjust control in the centre here, up and down mode selectors, and our Lifeline. So let's power it up and show you what it looks like. We've installed the battery and we're now ready to go. But before we turn it on, always make sure you have the outputs turned all the way to the left, which is all the way down. So first we turn it on, just slide the switch across, and you'll see the Lifeline starts by doing a self test. Then it will show you your battery level, and then it starts the first pattern. Now the Lifeline is very much the heart of the ElectroPebble. It tells you what it's doing, it tells you it's active. The patterns change depending on which mode you're in. Here we're in flow mode, and to give you an output you simply turn the controls around to the right, which increases the output, and to turn it down, turn it to the left, and obviously use the control for the socket you want. In this mode, the adjust control controls what we call feel. Speaks for itself. It's the way the output feels. If we turn it all the way around to the left, that gives you a slightly softer feel, and if you turn it all the way around to the right, you get a harder, slightly more pricky feel. Let's now look at how you change mode. You're going to use one of these two arrow buttons. Doesn't matter which one you use, you can go in either direction. If you push it just once, you'll suspend the mode momentarily, the light will light up next to the mode you're in, and then it restarts. If you actually want to move on a mode, you need to press it twice. So if I press it the first time, it suspends, and then the second time we're now paging through. And as you can see, you can go all the way to the top of the list and then it goes round again, or you can go down to the bottom and it'll go round again. So let's pick a mode, let's go to pulse mode, and then just stop pressing. After a moment or two, the mode will then start, and you'll notice we've got a slightly different pattern here on the Lifeline, and our activity lights are doing something slightly different. As I say, we're in pulse mode. This time round, the adjust knob changes the rate at which the mode operates, so the speed if you like. If we turn it all the way around to the left hand side, we've slowed it right down. You'll notice the Lifeline is now pulsing really slowly, and the activity lights are again very slow. If I now rotate it round to the right hand side, you should now be able to see the Lifeline is running much faster, and indeed so are our activity lights. So as you can see, it adjusts the speed. We've spoken about two of the modes on the ElectroPebble. There are in fact 9 built into the unit, but I don't really want to go through all of them. But if you want to know what they are, if you download the manual off our website, they're fully described there. But there is just one other mode I want to talk about, and that's audio mode. There's a microphone built in to the Pebble, and as you can probably see from the Lifeline, it reacts to noise. You speak, you get an output. But you can do all sorts of things with your voice, or you can use a bit of music. So if we play in a little bit of music here, you'll be able to see there that the Lifeline again was reacting, and it doesn't really need to be that loud, but you can adjust the sensitivity of the microphone using the adjust control in the centre here. So that's the audio mode. So now we've had a look at the ElectroPebble itself, let's look at the packs that we do. We have the ElectroPebble pack itself, which gives you the power unit, a set of 4 sticky pads, 2 2mm cables, an instruction manual, a quick start guide and a warranty registration card. Then we have the XPE pack. Here you get everything you get with the ElectroPebble pack itself, plus a pair of 2mm conductive rubber loops and one of our medium electro eggs. And then finally we have the XPF pack. Once again you get everything you get from the ElectroPebble pack, and this time you get a pair of 2mm conductive rubber loops, a 4mm cable and one of our flange electrodes. So those are our 3 packs. For more information about these or any of our other products, check out our website. I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.